Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the types of properties. We already know what is properties, like anything can be an object and an object has two things. One is properties, second is behavior. Properties define the object. Like if we assume human body as an object, what can be our properties? Like our height, our weight, our skin color. These can be our properties. So there are three types of properties. One, readable and writable. Second, read only. Third, write only. We can understand by name itself, like readable and writable. It means that we can read that property and also write the property. It means we can see the data and we can also modify the data. If we see this rectangle class, we have a property of length, property length of a class rectangle. Then here we can also set the data, like I can set the length as 7 or 10, whatever I feel like. And now I can also read this property. This is how I can write get data. We can say that they are setter and getter method for this property. This is how this property is readable and writable also. Now we will see the read only property. First of all, we have to understand why we made it read only. If we assume this, when we go to college or school, we are provided a roll number by the institution. But we cannot change this roll number. Like this is provided by school or college. We cannot change it by ourselves. That is why we can say that this is a read only property. Like we can read the data, we can see what is our roll number, but we cannot modify. Suppose if my roll number is 18, I cannot modify it to 17. That's why we make it only read only property. So the roll number property of class student is a read only property. I hope you have understood this well. Now, we will see the write only property. This is a interesting thing. The write only property. I will take an example like this. See, suppose that okay, just give me a minute. See, suppose there's a class charity account. There's an organization, NGO, or charity institute where it is an account and it consists one property, that is balance. It is a balance. This institute can read his balance, like the the charity organization can see how much balance they have in their account. And suppose you are the donor here and you want to donate some amount. Let's assume you are $10,000. You are donating $10,000 here. You are a donor, but it is not possible that you can see the balance of this charity organization. The balance may be 10,000, 20,000, whatever it can be, but we cannot see this data. It means that we are setting the data, like we will set the data, like we will donate the 10,000, then the balance will be updated, then the balance will be updated with $10,000. Then but the charity account can see his balance. They are accountable for this, but we are not. This is why it is called write only property. Like the donor can set the balance but cannot see the balance. Like we can write the data but we cannot see the data. This is the use of this is the use of read only property. So we have understood this all: readable and writable, read only and write only. Thank you for watching this video.